What's up, man?
How you doing?
Hey, you ready?
Yeah, man.
Come on, let's check out the house.
My name is Cargo Glekia. I'm very excited to finally purchase a home that I can live in it, put equity towards it. My realtor, Tomei Smith, really did a great job of helping me find a property and helping me talking to the developers. We were able to find the right location, the right property for the right price.
I've sold a lot of these houses and none of them have this open concept on the main level. You know how you gonna set it up?
I'm probably gonna get rid of the carpet, put like a glass door, a barn door right here.
Oh, that's so nice. How you gonna use it?
Right now, I feel like this is a good office space.
I mean, right now is your primary residence, but this gonna be your investment in the future.
Of course.
Oh, right.
Oh, I like this area right here.
You had to have a vision, right? We got you this joint for a really good price. So what do you plan on doing with this space?
So I feel like this countertop is a little bit short, so I'm gonna extend this whole 40 inches, you know, maybe even with this one,
Yep.
and then throw a whole backsplash, change the countertop. I'm gonna keep the cabinet the same. I'm gonna do the farmhouse sink, change the faucet. I got a whole lot of stuff that I can do here, and I'm gonna put my brain to work and make this a place that I want to live, but that someone else wants to live in as well.
So you're gonna add value. The money you spend on that, you're gonna really be adding value to the property.
Yes, sir.
Too.
Yes, sir.
I love the windows too. The floor-to-ceiling windows.
Exactly.
You know, everybody can't get that in their house. You gonna add pendant lights here?
Oh, of course, yes. I mean, that's just gonna make the house stand out even more.
I got a contractor that's he gonna hook you up. I got a surprise for you.
Oh,
right?
man.
I went to Tulum and I really enjoyed this alcohol.
Okay.
So I think you will.
Okay. Okay, see, y'all gotta get you a realtor like Tomei. Yeah. Thank you, man.
My pleasure,
Thank
bro.
you. We taking this shot.
Let's take shots.
Yeah. The porch is really huge.
And if you look over here, you see the community is just starting to be built. By the time they build this whole community up,
Yeah.
you gonna have a lot of money in equity. Today,
Exactly.
he moving in with $100,000 in equity.
Get yourself a realtor like Tomei, so he'll hook you up.
You got the massive owner suite with the walk-in closet, another floor-to-ceiling window. What you gonna do in here? Like what size bed you putting in here?
I already got my bed queen size. I don't like too much of a big space. I'm a hardwood. I don't like carpet, so I'm probably gonna change this to a hardwood and wooden shelves in there.
See, my man had the vision, right? Like him having the vision allowed him to save a lot of money on purchasing this house. A lot of people walked in this house and didn't buy it because they didn't want carpet or they wanted the kitchen to look different. So you bought it at a discount.
Yes.
And you're gonna be able to do everything you want to it, and then you would have spent less than if you would have got the builder to do it.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Let's check out the bathroom.
Yes, complete remodel. Like break everything down. Change the tiles on the floor, change the countertop, even change the sink head. Probably the mirror. This is gonna be my baby right here. A complete like toe up from the flow down revamp. So this is what I'm gonna do. Take the tile up to the ceiling, change everything. Put shelves in here so I can put toiletries and everything in here as well. So this is where the property value comes from. So
Yeah, definitely. Kitchens and bathrooms.
yeah.
I never encourage my clients to buy these or purchase these, but they gave them to you.
For free.
For free. That was part of the deal.
Yeah, I don't have to buy a washer and dryer now. That's like 2-3 grand I'm saving right here. So I'm happy for that.
What you gonna do with this room?
Man, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm really not gonna do anything here. I don't have any kids.
You're gonna have a kid.
Well,
The ladies, they're gonna wanna move in.
well,
man.
this is just gonna stay the same.
What you gonna do here?
Same thing, man. Just keep it simple. I might want to make the whole space hardwood also.
So what you gonna change in this bathroom?
One thing I'm gonna change that pop up is just the white tiles. I don't really like white tiles like that. easy to show dirt and stuff like that. So I'm gonna change it to a different color. Yeah, something modern. It add value to the house.
Oh, I met Tomei through a friend that also bought a property. He recommended Tomei. I was like, okay, bet. You know, this is a good recommendation. So as soon as I called him, I was like, hey, Tomei, I'm ready. He was on the line. He sent me different properties through his portal, and I was able to search through that, and we wind it down to this one. I'm very, very emotional right now because it's always been my dream to buy a house. Tomei was a big part in achieving my dream and getting a property. So moving forward, anybody ever out there looking to buy a property and to achieve their dream or owning a house, I would recommend Tomei.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah!
There we go.
Yeah!
You killed that, man. You
All right,
killed
man.
that, bro.
Hey, without you, it won't be a process. Thank you. I
Hey, man,
appreciate it.
congratulations, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
First step to the generational wealth.
Yes, sir.
Now, you gonna get married?
Nah.
You have a baby?
Nah.
Hey, bro.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
My man saved so much money on this purchase. He got the pool. He can walk straight to the pool. They putting a gym in this community. They putting a grocery store in this community. He can just walk wherever he needs to go. You work from home?
Yes.
He don't even need a car no more. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you again.
Hey, it's a pleasure, bro.
Thank you.
My man is so reserved too. And then he got a crazy side though, as you saw him when he popped the bottle. But then he went back to his reserve side.
Hey, man, you gotta play it.
Congrats, bro.
Yes, sir.